Hi everyone, it's Evie with another acrylic pour. I've covered the canvas with Floetrol just so everything moves easily. So I'm gonna do a 3-cup pour once again. So let's get started. Let's start with a tiny bit of black, just a tinsy bit. Okay. My paints are a little on the thicker side. They've been working pretty well. But in here I've got Floetrol and paint, golden paint, and tiny bit of alcohol, and then just a few drops of the coconut milk serum. That's been working really well for me to get me cells, nice big juicy cells that I've been looking for a while. Next we'll do kind of like a violeted color. This is a dark color. Okay, now we're gonna put in the, I spilled paint in here, but it's not very much, so it's not really going to affect what goes on. But this is a turquoise color, turquoise or teal. Oh, I didn't put my lighter violet. And over this, I'm actually going to put a little bit of black over this. I like the effect of the black peeking through this. It really makes the color pop. Okay, next we'll do the blue, dark blue. Okay. And then, oh yeah, I don't have very many pinks left over. So I've got a little bit of this pink. It's this light pink. Okay. Put that in there. Oh, you know what? I forgot to put white. Let's go ahead and put in some white. Okay, and now I can put in my pinks. Okay, I've got a little bit of this pink left over. Okay, and do I have a little bit of this pink left over? Not very much. Okay, it's all on the pinks. Okay, I do have a little bit of this lighter violet. I think I'll use the last of it. Try to use the last of it. Okay, excellent. Now, let's put in the last of this darker color. So this darker color is taking the place of the black. Instead of black, I'm putting in this darker blue, bluish, purplish color. Get my hands clean. Okay, So now more of this turquoise. Okay. Is that all the turquoise I have? I think so. And what other colors do I still have? I think I've used up all my colors. I still have white. So, let's see. Okay. Let's try the flip. Flippity flippity flop. This time I won't lose any paint. Like I did before. Okay, so ready, set, flip. Okay. Oh crap. Almost lost my paint. Okay, so we'll just wait a few minutes and then we will flip it over. Okay, it's been a few minutes, so let's get our cups. Okay, let's start with the center one. Ready, set, go. Here, we'll bring this one close to here. Ready, set, go. Okay. Ooh, it's falling down this. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, cool. It's falling down. Oh, I've got them too close to the edge. I don't want to lose all my beautiful cells. It's got lots of beautiful cells. Okay, so let's bring them down. Okay. Okay. Let's go this way now. I lost a lot of my cells, the cell integrity. I did. So now let's get the spots where there's white. Let's get the corners. Okay, let's see if we can add some heat. See what we can get. I lost the integrity of my cells, but maybe we can get some new cells. Let's try some heat. There's definitely too much black in there. There's a lot of gray, not a lot of pink. There are some blues. So let's get a little closer. Okay, let's get a little closer. Let's get a little focus there. There is a lot going on here. Ugh. add some wire on it. A lot going on. Not a lot of pink though. But I like it. It's okay. It's okay. I lost a lot of my cell structure, but that's okay. Okay, thank you for watching.